That's a secret. I don't want that. Fuck. Oh, fuck! Where'd that take me? Did I get out? What? Demon. Oh, fuck. I think I died. Oh, hold on. SLSPM. Let's fucking turn this back on. Stream is offline again, is it? Or is that from a long time ago and I just now noticed? Oh, fuck. It's back. Shit. Alright, fuck. Restart. Wait, I don't need to fucking turn my monitor on to fucking check. I can just fucking move the mouse over there. In fact, why the fuck don't I just leave Essel's PM up? That's better. That's fucking a way better idea. We'll do that. Alright, this is my last try of Limbo. Alright, kill shotgun guy. Okay, kill Tony the demon. Okay, I'm gonna go across. Damage, damage, no damage. Let's kill Manzel. Okay. Manzel, there we go. This should take me where I need to go. Damage, no damage. There's a wall, good. Wall on my left, wall on my left. Wall on my left, 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 wall on my left. Demons. Okay, that's Donald and Scott down. There's the fucking key, wall on my right. Alright, wall on my right, wall on my right. Wall on my right. Wall on my right, wall on my right. Alright, well, am I right? Well, there we go. To the right, well, alright. There's the big crossing. Big cross. Damage, damage, damage. No damage. There we go. Damage, damage, damage. Fuck. There we go. Opening. That way. There's the door. Straight. Damage, back up, strafe. Wall, stairs, wall to my right, wall to my right. Let's get out the shotgun, take out the Captain again. Wall to my right, wall to my right. Wall to my right. Where the fuck is the drop? Come on. Wall to my right. There we go, taking damage straight. No, wait, no. I am not in the right place. Fuck, where am I? Shit, okay. Hold on. Okay, let's listen. I have something this way. And this way. Shit, where am I? Follow this wall. Wait. Okay, that's rat suits. Okay, wait. So there's the wall. Follow the wall. Okay, they should take me to the shotgun guy. There he is. Got him. Shit. There's a rad suit. I picked up the rad suit, I think. Shit. I have no idea where the fuck I am. Fuck! I don't know where that teleporter takes me. This is the second fucking time I've hit it. Just follow a wall till we get to somewhere I know. I guess. Shit. Back up. Fucking back up. Get fuck. Fuck.
I think that's the shotgun guy at the start. Yeah, and here comes Tony.
There's Tony. I said that was gonna be my last time. Fucking. Okay, fucking. Let's see where I actually need to go. Game. Fucking. All right. Fuck. Load. Oh, fuck me. No. Thank God there's an autosave. Save Mr. Magoo's Wild Ride. All right. Kill that guy. Fuck off, Tony. We call that guy, that's Manzel. Manzel can fuck off. Alright, so yeah, I'm right. Following this wall. Okay, there's the opening. And then that's the star thing that opens up the catacombs, I think. Yeah, there's the wall. There's Scott and Donald. Alright, so I get that, and then I follow this wall back. That's alright. I'm definitely getting to the blue key. That's right, follow that wall. This is a godsend, because it's really easy to orient myself around. And then this leads to the Baron, right? Yeah, that room's worthless to me. I don't need anything from that room.
This leads to the Caco Demon. Okay, there's not one over here. It's just the one on that side. Alright. This method of drop in and go to this side, that works. And then I follow that. That takes me to the hole. Okay, that's Rubio. We don't want Marco. And then this way takes me to a BFG, I want to say, or something like that. What the fuck is it? It's like this. Yeah. I don't need the BFG. I already have it. So that way's worthless to me. So, alright. I am right that I go this way, and I go to the shotgun guy. Yep. And then I go... Do I go north from the shotgun guy? No. That's not right. Okay, so I definitely go this way, and then this way, and then this way. No. This way. Okay, there's the fucking teleporter. How do I fucking figure out if I'm at the teleporter? Where does this take me? Ah, fuck that noise. Okay, so at least I know if I take that, I just go straight, and then I hump this wall to my right until I get back to the middle. Alright, I know how to get out of that now. This way. Okay. How the fuck do I... Shit. I don't know how I'm gonna... Kill the shotgun guy, and then wall to my left is what I'll have to do. Wall to my left, wall to my left, wall to my left. Shit, is this gap... I could miss this gap so easily. Fuck, I guess I gotta go slow. Wall to my left, wall to my left, wall to my left, wall to my left. When I know I hit the rad suit space bar, 2 switches, I know I have the key, then the teleporter, then I think it's back this way, this one here, or is this one the one that takes me to the exit? Yeah, this one here. That's, I can easily do that from when I, hold up, teleport. Yeah, that's fucking super simple, I can do that blind. That's not going to be an issue. So I do that one, and then I take this one back, and I think I go into the one in the middle. Yeah. Then I go across that. Oh, okay, there's stairs. I'm good if I got myself on there. And then I take this one over here, I want to say. Yeah, that's right. So it's... Once I teleport from the red key back, it's wall to my right, all the way back, hit the middle pillar, go over to where I killed Manzel. How the fuck do I... Shit. This is going to be a bitch to get into. Middle one's going to be simple, because there's a pillar around it. This one will be simple, because I just go to this wall and find the opening. And then I just go straight. And then I just do this. Yeah, that's gonna be the easiest thing ever. That's the easiest level blind. Alright. What the fuck? Oh yeah, I've already looked at this. Alright. And then, once I get through E4, which will be fucking impossible... What maps should be... This should be pretty, actually... I know Doom 2 really well. What does this even look like on I'm Too Young to Die? This level is gonna be fucking simple as shit. This level will be really simple too. Really? There's a shotgun guy here on I'm Too Young to Die? Oh, that's interesting. Oh, there's a lot of shotgun guys. Wow, this room is still packed. But honestly, like, these guys die so quick, they shouldn't be an issue. Chain gunners are gonna rape me silly. Too. I don't want to do that. E4 is gonna be fucking E4 M6 and E4 M5 and E4 M2 and E4 M6. E4 M7 should be pretty simple. This map, yeah, this map should be that bad. Let's see what the camera looks like. What, the jump on map 2? Yeah, the jump will be doable. I need cloud too. Hold up. Oh shit, it's... Nah, because what I'll do is I'll, kill all this stuff off, and then I'll find this corner, and then I'll go 1, 2, and then I'll try and jump, and if I fail, yeah, I'll know immediately if I made the jump or not, because I got oomph. Yeah, there we go, that's... The one to skip the blue door. Oh, yeah, on E2M2, that's gonna be fucking impossible without Monster. I don't think you can actually line that up. Gauntlet. Honestly, all of E1, yeah, this should be pretty simple because it's all running into walls, straight walls, that switches on a corner. That takes, no, this shit right here is gonna be fucking hard, actually, I lied. I don't know how the fuck that's gonna line up. But it's not gonna matter because I'm gonna hit this map and it's just gonna be fucking impossible. Like, how the fuck do you even do this? I guess I'd have to go this way and follow the wall until I hit the door, and then I'd fall off and then follow the wall, taking damage the whole time until I hit this teleporter. No, that takes... I can't even hit that teleporter. I gotta go to, this one over here. And then somehow line up on that. No. And then somehow get to this one right here. And then line up on this. And then figure... Oh, there's no lost souls here on my team today, at least. Well, shit. Oh, there are. No, not I fucking lied. Of course there are. There's no way. This chasm's gonna kill me. But if it doesn't, I'm also doing TNT and Plutonia, so we'll see. Alright, that was most of Limbo and all of E3M6. Yawn. Whatever. Who the fuck is streaming? Nobody, I'm not rating anybody.